Hi reception class, here is a video to explain our English lesson for today. And today you will need a pencil and the sheet that you can see on the screen which says match the dinosaur to the fact. So we just want to get those two things ready and pause me now. Right reception class. This week and last week, we have been reading this non-fiction book called I Love Dinosaurs, and we have learnt so many different things about dinosaurs already. And today, we are going to read the last two chapters of the book. The last two chapters are about the Compsognathus, and we've got a fun fact page to read too. So I'm just going to turn to the contents page and see what page I need to go to learn about the Compsognathus, a tricky one to say again. Right, so I've turned to the contents page and I need to look down till I find Compsognathus, which is here, which is on page 22. I'm just going to turn to page 22 now. And I have found page 22, Compsognathus. That is the heading for this chapter. And if you look at the screen, I've got a big picture of this page. Let's see what we can find out. Compsognathus was the smallest dinosaur. Even though it was small, it was still fierce. It hunted little creatures such as insects, worms, and perhaps baby dinosaurs. Compsognathus had small, sharp teeth for biting its tiny victims. Spiky claws help Compsognathus to grab its food. You can just see those spiky claws there, can't you? This tiny dinosaur weighed only 3 kilograms, which is less than a pet cat. Compsognathus was as big as a chicken, but much thinner and without the feathers. Right reception, we have one last page to read, which is at the very back of the book, and it's called Fun Facts. So we're just going to have a read to see what fun facts we can learn. Tyrannosaurus rex means king of the tyrant lizards. Brachiosaurus means arm lizard. I never knew that. Maiasaura means good mother lizard. Ankylosaurus means stiff or fused lizard. Triceratops means 3 horns on the face. Stegosaurus means roof lizard. I never knew that either. Deinonychus means terrible claw. Ornithomimus means like an ostrich. That makes sense because we learnt that it looks like an ostrich, didn't we? Parasaurolophus means beside-ridged lizard, and Compsognathus means elegant jaw. There's some quite tricky words on that page, aren't there, reception class? So don't worry if you found some of those a bit tricky to understand. Right, reception class, we have now finished our book, I Love Dinosaurs. So hopefully you can remember some interesting facts that you have learned about the different dinosaurs. And now your challenge for today is to match the dinosaur to the fact. So you need the sheet that you can see on the screen. What you need to do is cut along the lines, and then you need to match the dinosaur to the fact. Okay, so you might need to get a grown-up to help you read the sentences. So it's cut them out. I will put dinosaurs on one side, then try and find the fact that goes with each of them. Okay, and if you manage to match them up, send a photo and send them in to me. So that is it for today's English lesson. Well done for working so hard, and send me some photos if you have a go at the activity. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, reception.